Hey there, home chickens. This is Task Force Delta 1. Doing a little bit of shooting this time. A real gun, not 360 no scoping or anything like that. I'm going to start doing some gun shooting. See what we can get out of it, just for fun. I'm going to start rolling some photos here, as you can see probably. I hope I roll photos of my Stag Arms suppressed 5.56 rifle. It's a 16-inch barrel on it with an ACW suppressor, free float tube, vertical foregrip. The vertical grip is a mag pull vertical grip. It's a mag pull pistol grip on it. Mag pull single point sling attachment and a Voltor stock. I'm shooting it about 300 yards. It's towards the end of my property with a rangefinder. I think it said it's like 293. We'll see what we get out of it. And I'm not using any optics. I'm just going to go ahead and use the bare irons. It's just a standard model. I didn't spend that much on it. Only about 1,008 for it. And I want to see what it can pull off. With the suppressor, I'm firing subsonic ammo just to see how quiet it is, so I can go back to the video and look. Yeah, hopefully it is pretty quiet out to those ranges. I want to see what it can really do. Other than that, video game wise, you want to do video games, you guys can hit me up on my PSN account. My gamer tag is Demon1943. Send me a message, invite, friends request, wherever you guys want to do. I play Modern Warfare 2, Black Ops, and all that stuff. I play Medal of Honor, anything and everything for PS3. I don't have an Xbox because I don't feel like paying for online. So without further ado, let's get to shooting.